Hi guys, good morning. So today we're going to dictate about the divisibility rules, and it's going to have a the number 2 divisible until to 10 up to 10. So let's start. So before we start, let us define the divisibility rules. Divisibility rules divisible because it means that a number is able to be divided evenly with another number with no remainders. Okay, so let's start with a number that is divisible by 2. So the definition of it is that the last digit is an even numbers, and so the example is that 2458, so the 8 is divisible by 2. Okay, so next is the number 4. So 4 so next is the number 3. A number is divisible by 3. So the definition of this is that the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. And then the example of that is 1 2 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 6. So 6 is divisible by 3. Next is the number 4. A number is divisible by 4. So the definition of it is that the last two digits form a number that is divisible by 4. So the example is 4524. So the 24 is divisible by 4. Then next number is a number that is divisible by 5. So the definition of it is that the last digit is either as a number 5 or a 0. So the example of this is that 12,390 or 3,475. So both the 0 and 5 are divisible by 5. Next is a number that is divisible by 6. The definition of it is that the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Excuse me for the motorcycle because right now I'm working outside since amusilingan kay nagkuan na nag-video. Okay, let's get it on. Okay, number that is divisible by 6. So the number is divisible by 6 is by both 2 and 3. Okay, so the examples are 24. So 24 is divisible by both 2 and 3 number. Next is a number that is divisible by 7. So 7 is, the definition is that you can double the last digit and subtract the sum from the rest of the number. So and set an answer that is divisible by 7. So what are the examples? So the example is that 672. So 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, and 67 minus 4 is equals to 63. So 63 is divisible by 7. Okay, so let's go to a number that is divisible by 8. The definition of it is that the last 3 digits from the number that is divisible by 8. So the example of it is that 7,816. So 816 is divisible by number 8. Next is a number that is divisible by 9. So the definition of it is that the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. So the examples is that 153, or 1 plus 5 plus 3 is equals to 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. And then lastly, a number that is divisible by 10. So the definition of it is that the number ends in a 0. So the example is that 257,890. So the 0 is divisible by 10. So guys, I hope you learned a lot. Thanks for watching.